How to change password in Lorex app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Lorex app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, in order to change the password of your Lorex account, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. From the settings menu, choose this account settings option. In this account settings page, you can see this security option. Tap on it. Here you will find the change password option. Tap on it. It will prompt you to the page where you can change your password of your account. In order to change the password, you need to enter your old password of your account at the top. And right below that, you can see the enter new password option. Tap on it. Now you can change your password from here. Enter a new password for your account. And below that too, you can re-enter your new password. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you are done entering your passwords, you can tap on this done button. And there you go. That's how you can successfully change your password of your Lorex account. You'll receive a mail from Lorex confirming the change of your password. After that, you can log into your account from a new password. So that's it. That's how you can easily change password of your Lorex account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.